Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install packages in RStudio. So there are two ways how you can do that, but I'm going to show you the most convenient way. So basically what we'll need to do is go to RStudio, and right here you'll need to open this panel in the right corner. Then click on the packages and you'll see two buttons, update and install. Click on install, and right here you'll be able to install the packages. So just let's say I want to install a read Excel package. I will select the read Excel package right here and click install. Then you'll need to click yes, and you'll be able to install the package. Or you can just see your installed packages right here and update those if needed. So basically that's how you can install the packages in RStudio. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.